Good day, my viewers. Welcome back to my tutor, which is Smallbags. Today, they are giving us a question to solve under implicit function. But before I move on, I would like to beg you to subscribe or to follow this way, share the video, and like it. So let us move to the question given to us. Now, solution to the question given to us. Question 1. 2x squared y plus 3x cubed equal to sine y. Also, I can write the question back like this: 2 open bracket x squared y close bracket plus 3x cubed equal to sine y. In implicit function, if you want to differentiate variable of y, or if you want to find the derivative of y, we will have to multiply it with the y all over the x. So that is the difference between other function with implicit function. But in this question, we have a different variable which multiply it together, which is what? X and y. In this case, we have to apply the product rule, which is what? uv prime plus vu prime. To find this x and y, we have a different variable, which is for x and y. Then we have to apply the product rule. Now, let our u to be equal to x squared, while our v to be equal to y. Since our u equal to what? X squared, our v equal to y. So our u prime is what? The derivative of x squared giving us what? 2x by using general method nx greater to n minus 1 to differentiate x squared giving us what? 2x. Now v prime is what? The derivative of variable is what? 1. I have told that if we want to differentiate the variable of y in implicit function, we will multiply it. If you differentiate it finish, we will be multiplying it with what? The y all over the x, which is what? The variable of y. Now we can substitute it into this formula now. 2 open brackets. What is our u? Our u is x squared multiplied by what? What is our v prime? Our v prime is what? 1 multiplied by what? The y all over the x. Plus, what's our v? Our v is y multiplied by what? What's our u prime? 2x close bracket plus the derivative of 3x cubed is giving us what? The power is what? 3, and if you change to what? You change to base. Although it will remain in the same power. If you want to differentiate 3x cubed, is giving us what? 3 times 3 is what? 9x. 3 minus 1 is what? 2 equal to sine y will be giving us what? Minus cos y multiplied by what? I have told you before, in any variable, either trigonometric and implicit or a constant in implicit function, if you want to differentiate the variable of y, we will be multiplying it with what? The y all over the x. But also here we have a variable of y, which is what? I have to multiply it with what? The y all over the x. Now I can use this 2 to open the bracket, which is what? 2 times x cubed times 1 dy all over the x. We giving us what? 2x squared dy all over the x plus 1 times 2x will be giving us what? 2xy. 2 times y times 2xy will be giving us what? 4xy plus 9x squared equal to minus cos y multiplied by the y all over the x. Now, to obtain the dy all over the x, we have to collect the right hand. By collecting the right hand, in this side, we have what? 4xy plus 9x squared equal to minus cos y multiplied by the y all over the x. If this 2x squared dy all over the x come to this side, we change to what? Minus 2x squared multiplied by dy all over the x. Now 4xy plus 9x squared equal to what? I can factorize the y over the x out because it is common. By factorizing the y over the x out here, we will give us an open bracket minus cos y minus 2x squared close bracket. Now we have to divide both sides by minus cos y minus 2x squared to obtain the y over the x. By dividing both sides, cos y minus 2. Now 4xy plus 9x squared equal to what? The y all over the x open bracket minus cos y minus 2x squared close bracket, all divided by what? Minus cos y minus 2x squared, also here divided by what? Minus cos y minus 2x squared. Now minus cos y minus 2x squared cancel minus cos y minus 2x squared. Remain what? 4xy plus 9x squared divided by minus cos y minus 2x squared, all to be equal to what? Remain what? Dy over the x. Now our dy over the x equal to what? 4xy plus 9x squared divided by minus cos y minus 2x. That is the answer for question 1. Question 2. We have x squared minus 3xy plus 2y squared equal to 3. Now I can write this question as this: x squared minus 3 open bracket x y close bracket plus 2y squared equal to 3. But in this case, we also have a different variable, which is what? X and y. That means we have to apply, to differentiate it, we have to apply the product rule, which is what? U v prime plus v u prime. This is the formula for product rule. We have to apply it into this place only, since we have a different variable. Now, by differentiating this using the general method, our power is what? 2. Then we change to base, which is what? 2. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. X raised to power 1 is what? X. Now 2x minus 3 open bracket. Our u, let me say it like this. Our u is what? X. Y. Our v is what? Y. Since our u equal to x, y our v equal to y, so u prime be giving us what? 1. Y v prime will be giving us what? 1. But I have told you in implicity, if you want to differentiate, if you differentiate the variable of y, finish, we will multiply it with what? The y all over the x, so that we can obtain the value of what? The y over the x. Now by substituting into it, by differentiating it, it will be giving us what? X squared. This will be giving x squared will be giving us what? 2x minus 3 open bracket. What is our u? Our u is what? X multiplied by what? What's our v prime is what? Our v prime is what? 1 multiplied by the y all over the x plus, what is our y? Our v is what? Y multiplied by what? What is our u prime? Is 1 close bracket plus what? 2y squared. By differentiating 2y squared, we give us what? 4y. I have told you, if you want to differentiate a variable of y, you'll be adding what? The y over the x to it. So this way you have to contain the y over the x equal to constant is what? Differentiating constant is 0. Now by using these 3 to open the bracket, so use this 3 to open the bracket. By using this 3 to open the bracket, which is what? 2x minus 3 times x times 1 divided over the x, or it will be giving us 3x multiplied by dy over the x plus minus times plus, it will be giving us minus times plus, it will be giving us minus 3 times y, it will be giving us what? 3 times y times 1 is y 3 times y is y, it will be giving us what? 3y plus 4y multiplied by the y all over the x all equal to 0. Now you can collect the right time because we have to obtain the variable of the y all over the x. By collecting the right time, 2x, this one is multiplied by the y over the x, minus 3y all equal to what? If this 3x divided over the x come to this side, we change to what? Plus 3x multiplied by the y over the x. If this 4y plus 4y multiplied by the y over the x come to this side, we change to minus 4y multiplied by the y over the x. Now I can factorize the y over the x out from this case because it is common value. Now 2x minus 3y equal to what? The y all over the x, open bracket, 3x minus 4y, close bracket. Now to obtain the y all over the x, we have to divide both sides by 3x minus 4y. Divide both sides by 3x minus 4y. Now 2x minus 3y equal to the y all over the x, open bracket, 3x minus 4y, close bracket, all divided by what? 3x minus 4y. Also here divided by what? 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y cancel 3x minus 4y. It will be giving us what? It will remain what? 2x minus 3y all divided by what? 3x minus 4y equal to what remain? The y all over the x equal to what? 2x minus 3y divided by 3x minus 4y. So that is the final answer for question 2. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video and like it. See you on my next content.